Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows is not loading after the update. So if you are stuck at the black screen or booting again and again in the loop or not loading the desktop, so this method will be fix your issue. So first you need to force a hard reboot. To do that you need to hold down the power button up to 10 to 13 seconds, wait for few seconds, then power it back on. You need to repeat this process up to 3 times or 4 times, then it will be enter the Windows recovery environment. Once you there, you can see it like this. This is the menu that is called Windows recovery environment. So first you need to select the troubleshoot option like this, then after select the advanced options, select the uninstall updates option. So you can see there are two options here: uninstall the latest quality update, or you can select uninstall the latest feature update. Choose first one. So you can just select the uninstall quality update. You can simply tick on this. You can see now it is uninstalled the latest quality update. Once you've done that, you can come again to this menu, or you can try to check if your computer is working or not. If it is not working, again you have to select the troubleshoot option and advanced option. In this time you need to select the startup repair option. Now you can see it is diagnosing your computer. Wait for the complete. Once it is completed, you can check if it is working or not. If that also not working, you have to again come to this menu, again go to troubleshoot and go to advanced options. In this time you need to select system restore. So if your computer has previous system restore point, you can see that in here, in my case there is no system restore file, so that's why it show like this. If you see that, you just select that one, tap on next, then it will be restore your computer into that previous working state. Additionally, you can reset your graphic driver by just pressing Windows key, Control, Shift and B together. It will reset the graphic driver if you see the black screen. And other than that, you can restart Windows Explorer by just press the Control key, Alt and Delete. It will be open Task Manager. You can then after go to File, Run New Task, type explorer.exe and hit enter. Then you can see Windows Explorer file. You need to just restart that one. If that also not working, again you need to come to this menu, go to troubleshoot, advanced option, select the command prompt option. So you can see command prompt opened like this. First you need to type boot, sorry about that, boot rec .exe space / rebuild bcd like this, hit enter. Okay, once it is done, again you need to type boot rec .exe space / fix mbr, hit enter. Then after finally you need to type boot rec .exe space / fix boot like this and hit enter. In this case access is denied because I am not in the administrative permission. So you can run these three commands, then after restart your PC, then check if it is working or not. If that also not working, as the final step you can not the final step, there is one step ahead. So that one is go to troubleshoot, go to advanced option, select startup setting option, then after tap on restart. Wait for the restart complete. Okay, in this menu you can see there are list of options here. You need to enter the safe mode. It is number 4. So you have to press 4 in your keyboard, just like this. Then it will be move to the safe mode. Wait for the enter the safe mode. Okay, now you are in the safe mode. You can see safe mode icon is right here. Now what you need to do is open the setting on the safe mode. Then after, go to Windows Update option. In my case it is not working, but in your case you will be able to find recent updates here. So you can go to the update history option. So you can manually delete that recent update from your computer. Once you're done with that, you can restart your computer. Okay, as a final step, if none of the previous methods are not working, you have to go to Troubleshoot, then type on reset this PC. So there are two options you can choose. Either you can keep your files or you can remove everything. Select the thing as you like. In my case, I like to keep my files. Just select that one, and you can select the cloud download or local reinstall. Just select that one. Then it will be reset your computer into the previous factory default method state. So but your file will be safe because you select the keep files option. So these are the method you can try to Windows 11 not starting after the update. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.